Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This video is focused on my driving robot Discovery, made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller which runs embedded Linux and in this case is programmed in Python. Last time I finished with the measurement of the distance using sonar, but also this measurement lint or tape in combination with this object, or these objects actually. And I found out that my algorithm is not quite accurate, and starting from 30 centimeters it goes right, and then according to my own algorithm distances vary, and then either it does not drive or it does not make images. So I want to continue with that using one of the larger distances and see whatever happens and why in the case of driving and taking images. And to see that I switch to screencast, because then I show you code and everything else, including the images. So let's do that. Set the screencast with source code, terminal on actually execution. Here a terminal on the laptop which is intended to show the images taken from the camera or with the camera, and Robot Pro to check on everything. And right now the voltages of the battery packs are not showing anything. And that is because I'll have to I better do it like this, shifting this one up. So now you will see one value coming, and that is one battery pack, so that is good. And this is quite alright, that is quite alright, so we're good to go. No, we're not. Now we are. Anyway, I was talking about distances. So last time 30 and 45 were the problem. This worked. And now I have to go between 45 and 50. And I'm talking centimeters, not inches, nor feet. So this is about 45. And let's just take the gamble and go to 50. Let's see how this ends up. And if you've seen this series of videos before, then you know that anything can happen. So let's just run it. 2.5 seconds for camera initialization. And once again a password to send over the images. It got stuck, so it didn't make the drive or the return that I had hoped to see. But it's a nice one after all. So now for the images. And by the way, this cable is for a laptop, not this one by the way. Yes, images. And the problem is there are only 3 images being taken and none other. So I will have to change that This is 30-35. Yes, because camera is being disabled. Now enabled. So let me do it again, and hopefully there will be more images taken, but I will also have to give more times my password. Alright, all set back. Once again 50 centimeters between the object and the robot, and let's just see whatever happens. Ignoring the value error for now. Go. That is one image. Second image. Third image. Go. Wheel slipping, and it's trying to turn, but it doesn't do it. But no second set of images. And that is only because, well, because it probably didn't feel like this many, 45 to 50. This was how much? 53. Yeah, and that was the reason. 53. That's larger than 50. Okay, my mistake. And I had not disabled that. I'll have to do that again. This time making sure that it is certainly not exceeding 50. So 50 being right here. You can't see it. Yeah, that is my index finger. So that should be the front side of the robot, which should be here a little bit closer, because it also measures with the sonar, so it will have to be like this. Once again, let's see how it goes this time. Very curious now. But one thing, I'm not hearing the propeller. Yeah, now I do. And yes, images. So now I am at the correct distance of 45 to 50. Yep, there you go. Once again. That is what I want to see. Alright, right, succeeded. Now I have to increase the distance larger than 50 and enable the camera. Before I do that, a quick look at the camera images, and these are from the two different sets of images taken, and these look in distance quite the same, and yet this one is better in quality than this one. So now let's go here and go to which camera action. Uh, 50 to 55. Alright, and then enable camera. See whatever difference that makes. Quick look at the actual distances, or the actual distance, and $75. Is this giving anything? Nope. Okay, so I'm fine with that one. 57. And the measurement tape gave 54. So what's best to do? Hold it like this, because then I better activate yet another camera action, which is 50 to 60. Just to be sure. Let's do that. Go. Alright, get another one before it starts to drive. Go. And there it totally drives away. And no image is being taken. And there's nothing stopping him. So sonar goes on, driving goes on. So what's going on? Why? Let's stop it. Examining the images. This object completely turns around. It is considerable weight, but not nothing compared to the power of the robot. Clearly, what you can call a tale of the unexpected. Anyway, scrolling back, because here are the images, and that's what I'm absolutely interested in. What do I see? Far away, very far away. That means that this will be far away also. And quite okay images. But none other than just one image instead of two. So I'm wondering, what does it measure? 25, 19, 11. And where did it start again? Here it starts. 57 centimeters. So indeed close to 60. But why doesn't it make images when it is 55 and 60? Most likely, and that is my best guess, because here's camera action and it doesn't do anything. It calls the camera action 131, 131, and here camera action 14, and yet no image is being taken. 121, no image is being taken. Oh, that's because the action itself is of course commented out. That's one other thing. So this one is active. This one is not active. Activate. Not active. Activate. Also not active. At 25. Activate. At 20. Activate. And 13. Activate. And I deactivated everything because it did not drive, so now I'm very curious what the result of this one will be. Will it actually make a lot more images? I will have to see about that one. For some weird reason I've lost contact with the controller. I already restarted Rover Pro, but it ends up with an error, and then from the terminal there is no response either. No clue why, but let me just finish it for now. Some tales of the unexpected, and this is also a tale of the unexpected. I have no clue what's going on, except maybe a reset of the whole controller. Ultimate attempt. Obviously I did not lose contact with the controller since I still had the terminals active. But something is still odd because I'm now getting a grey screen after resetting the controller. So that was not it. Another reboot of the controller. Now let's see whatever happens here. Okay, regain control. Distance 59. Okay, I'm fine. Let's hit it. Final time. Yep, now I have a response. And a second set of images. The third set of images. A fourth set of images at 13. Now what's going to happen? And that's it. A lot of images this time. So let us take Let's go to this one. Copy. Far away. Yes, okay. 20, because this was 1. 20. 20, 13. That's more interesting. Yeah, that's a lot more interesting. Yep. Next set. None. Oh, that is disappointing. But anyway, a lot nicer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Give the video thumbs up. Click the bell for notification. Leave a comment or suggestion, please. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and please support via either Patreon or Ko-fi or PayPal. Going to be continued, obviously. For now, have a great day. Stay safe. Take care. Oh, take a look at my website. Bye.